In this video, let's learn how to enable double tap to turn on off screen mode. Go to your mobile settings, scroll down this page, go to advanced features option. In here, go to motions and gestures option. You can enable this double tap to turn on screen and turn off screen, two options. Now I enable it. After, let's check it how it works. Now you can double press on your home screen. After, our screen is going to turn off. Now when you double press your lock screen again, you can turn on your screen like this.